It looks like something torn out of a mech war game. A towering machine stepping over boulders, climbing slopes no truck could touch, and carrying cargo like a steel giant. But this isn't sci-fi anymore. This is the Iron Loper, a two-legged cargo walker built for the places wheels can't go. The idea came from one brutal truth. Half the planet cannot be crossed by vehicles. Mud, rubble, collapsed roads, mountain passes. Send a truck into those conditions and you're asking for disaster. Legs, however, don't care. A well-designed walker steps over the problem instead of getting stuck in it. The Iron Loper uses hydraulic myofiber actuators, artificial muscles that expand and contract with incredible force. Each leg has 3 major joints: hip, knee, ankle, mirroring human structure but with far greater torque. Sensors in the feet scan the ground 200 times per second, reading vibrations and surface angles before each step. The result is a machine that feels the terrain the way an animal does. Balancing a two-legged mech is a nightmare solved through gyroscopic cores and predictive AI. As the Loper moves, a cluster of rotating gyros inside its torso counteract tipping forces. Meanwhile, the AI calculates the next foot placement, adjusting stride length and joint tension in real time. It's not just walking, it's thinking its way across the Earth. The chassis looks like industrial armor plating wrapped around a skeletal frame. Up front sits a cargo cradle capable of holding several tons of supplies. Some prototypes even integrate shock-absorbing cages for personnel evacuation. Imagine rescuing someone from a landslide using a giant walking machine instead of a helicopter. Where wheels require traction, the Iron Loper uses ground penetration logic, digging into soft soil or gripping rock surfaces with microspikes that deploy only when needed. This lets it climb slopes close to 50 degrees, step through water without stalling, and navigate debris fields left behind by earthquakes. Power comes from a hybrid system. A compact hydrogen turbine feeds energy to high-density batteries, delivering bursts of strength when the walker needs to lift or stabilize. Hydraulics handle force, batteries handle finesse. Its real advantage shines in disaster response. Roads gone? Doesn't matter. Bridges collapsed? Step over it. Terrain shredded? Just lift higher. For militaries, the Iron Loper changes logistics. Instead of convoys vulnerable to ambush, a single walker can carry heavy supplies through terrain considered impassable. And because it moves slowly and uses no constant combustion, it's far quieter than a vehicle of its size should be, almost eerie as it steps through forests. There are challenges, of course. Walking is energy-intensive, especially with heavy loads. The joints require constant cooling under extreme stress. And if the AI misreads terrain by even a few degrees, a stumble could be catastrophic. Engineers mitigate this with triple redundant fall arrest systems and emergency stance lock features that freeze the legs mid-fall to prevent collapse. But the future vision is bold. Fleets of walkers carrying supplies into mountains, delivering aid through disaster zones, and performing missions where wheels and tracks simply fail. A world where machines don't roll, they stride. The Iron Loper doesn't just move cargo, it conquers terrain.